2.
If you roll a 1, Bobby.
4.
Okay. Okay.
So Bobby gets the first roll.
Okay. Now 7 or 11. Now the roll's reversed. It's reversed. 7 or 11, you win. Snake eyes, baby. You lose. You lose. You owe me a bill. You owe me a bill. Just like that, baby. Come on.
Hold on. Hold on.
Like that. You owe me a bill. Am I lying? No, I ain't.
You got your celebratory bandana on this weekend.
Yeah.
I like that.
I bought it
With the taco? Yeah. Yeah. It's pretty clean. It doesn't need a lot, huh? What was that?
I'm going to start singing the national anthem. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Just to start this paint job off right, you know what I mean? July 4th.
He's going to do the national anthem. Like it's a baseball game.
Yeah.
So Raptor again, we've done a few Raptor videos.
Yeah, so drop one of these in there to shake it up like a spray can.
Yeah, we've upgraded. We don't do the pitcher no more.
Yeah, no more pitcher. So it requires 8 ounces of hardener. So it comes with a quart of hardener, 8 ounces each. That's 32 ounces. And each container requires or calls for 3 ounces of paint. So we're just giving a good little mix. We're gonna put 12 ounces of paint in here and try and make sure we get 3 in each.
Yeah.
Shake it up and shoot.
So they pressure wash this down, scrape the grease off, put some purple power on it, degrease it best you could. Not really going for a super so finish, but just want to clean it up. See if I can zoom out a little bit. So just wanted to get some color under here and make it uniform. Curious how that yellow is going to cover this black. Hopefully we have enough. Should. Like I say, it's underneath the car. So it's actually extremely solid. This is all original panels, which I showed previously. Original floor pans, original rockers, braces. Super solid car. What, huh? That's my mask, ain't it? Probably has my initials on it. I'm not wearing it. No, I'm gonna be outside. Oh, you want me to spray it?
Oh, I got it.
Butternut yellow.
Hey, Fredo said all that butter, no toast, baby.
No toast, baby. That's right.
Hey, there was exactly 12 ounces of paint in that container.
What'd the other 4 go to?
The skirt.
The skirt?
Yeah.
Sprayed this out the other day. Guess I'll bring y'all back once they get it colored. All right, today's Friday, July 8, 2022. And we're gonna be finishing up this Raptor job here. Last we left off, it was last Saturday, and we ran out. So we didn't have enough for the wheel wells, both sides, and we ran a little dry over here under the gas tank area. And then this tail panel, we're gonna put a little bit, let me see if I can zoom out here. I'm gonna go ahead and coat this tail panel here so it looks nice and pretty when it's painted. And then probably give it a once over in case there's any light spots. So he sprayed five bottles. And it wasn't enough. I think it's because of the color.
And then, spraying over like dark black or
pretty straightforward, just continuing the process. So, bring you guys back once this thing's done. Right, so this thing is done. Total of 8 jugs. Right?
Yeah.
3 ounces of each. That's 24 ounces of paint. Huh. Alright, but it's coated. The wheel well's good. Kind of hard to see in here with limited light, but I don't think anybody's ever going to see this again besides us. So next up, we're ready to guide coat and 400, man. Maybe a little 600. And it's ready for some sealer. So we'll be doing that here in a couple days. Stay tuned.